Hello everyone and very welcome to my YouTube channel Laiba's English Corner. So, in our today's video, we are going to discuss part number 4 of present tense, which is present perfect continuous tense. So, present perfect continuous tense means that work start in the past and it is still happening. We will discuss each and everything in detail. Just see the full video and hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon for further notification of English and grammatical videos. So let's start with the present perfect tense. So in the previous video, I already told that each tense is further divided into three types, mean the simple sentences, the negative sentences, and the interrogative sentences. Simple sentences are the simple which follow the same structure. Negative sentences will use not in it, and in interrogative sentences we will ask question. Let's start with the simple sentences. So the structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has and have plus been plus present participle mean the first form of verb plus ing plus an object if needed, because object is not compulsory, we can also skip the object. So remember that whenever there is a word continuous, so we have to use first form of verb plus ing. Doesn't matter it is present tense, it is past tense, or it is a future tense. So by following the structure, create the first sentence. I have been studying for 2 hours. So I, the subject, have is used with I. In the previous video, I explained that in detail, that where you have to use has and where you have to use have. I have been, we will use been in the present perfect continuous tense. I have been studying, study, first form of verb plus ing, studying for 2 hours. Second example is, she has been working on this project since morning. So whenever you are sure about the time that it started in the morning or it started in the evening, we will use since. But whenever you are not known with the exact time, we will use for there. When you are not sure with the time, we will use for. For example, for 8 hours, we don't know which 8 hours we are talking about. But if we will say since morning, since evening, since 2004, so it is the time which we know, so we will use since here. Now we are going to make negative sentences. In negative sentences, what we have to do, we have to use not here. Subject plus have has plus not plus been. So whenever there is any time anything is used, for example like not or something, we will use after helping verb. Okay, has have plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus an object. For example, I have not been paying attention to the news lately. So I is a subject, have is used with I. Remember that whenever the subject is I or any plural, for example, we, they, you, or any plural thing, for example, cars, boys, we will use have with it. And with the singulars like he, she, it, we will use has. So I have not been paying attention to the news lately. And the second example is they have not been attending the meeting. So here they plus have plus not, been is used, and then first form of verb plus ing. Now we are going to make the interrogative sentences, mean the question mark in which we are asking a question. So the structure will be that helping verb will come in the start. For example, have, has plus subject plus been. We will use been after the subject here. Why? Because helping verb moved in the start. Have, has plus subject plus been plus first form of verb. Whenever there is a word present participle, mean first form of verb plus ing plus an object if needed. I am saying if needed with object because object is not compulsory. We can also skip object. Okay. So the example will be, have you been waiting here long? So have with you, been is used according to the structure, wait first form ing, and then here long will use as an object here. Second is, has she been studying French for a long time? So we will use has with she because she is singular. Has she been according to the structure, study first form plus ing, French will be an object, and the other structure will also be an object. So this was all from my side. Today we have discussed about present perfect continuous tense. We have already discussed about present and all the types, and all the videos of tenses are available on my channel. You can go and watch them. Link will be in description. Thank you so much.